Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad geometry problem, and here we have a nice right triangle in which the length of its one side is 25 to the power of m, and its hypotenuse is 5 to the power of m, and the length of third side is 125 power m. So in this question we find the value of this exponent m. So here we use the Pythagoras theorem first to simplify this. And here you see that this is right triangle, and the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse, and the side which join these two angles is called the base, and the third side is called the perpendicular of this right triangle. So here we use the Pythagoras theorem, and you know about Pythagoras theorem. It is stated as hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So this is called the Pythagoras theorem. So here our hypotenuse is 5 to the power of m. We substitute it here. 5 to the power of m square equals to, our base is 25 to the power of m, and we write it as 25 to the power of m and its whole square, plus perpendicular is 125 to the power of m and its whole square. So here we need some simplification, and we use the nice exponential law. So you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So here we use this exponential law on both of the sides. So first we multiply these two exponents, and it will be written as 5 to the power of 2m equals to, this is written as 25 to the power of 2m, plus here you multiply these two exponents, and it will be written as 125 and its whole power 2m. So now we rewrite this equation as, so this is 5 to the power of 2m equals to, we write this 25 as 5 square and its whole power 2m, plus we write this 125 as 5 cube and its whole power 2m. So now in the next step we again use this law, or we just rewrite this exponential law in this form. If you have a to the power of m to the power of n, we interchange these two exponents, and it will be gives us the same answer. So here we need to just interchange these two exponents, and it will be written as 5 to the power of 2m and its whole square, plus 5 to the power of 2m and its whole cubed. So here you see that on both of the sides we have the same term 5 to the power of 2m, so that we substitute this term equals to y, and it is 5 to the power of 2m. So now we substitute this value of y to the above equation, and it will be written as y equals to, when you substitute it here, it will be written as y square, and when we substitute it here, it will be written as y cubed. And now we move this this y to the right hand side, and it will be written as y cubed plus y square minus y equals to 0. And now you see here this equation will becomes cubic equation, and now we solve this cubic equation first. And you see here, you see that first we take every term include this y, so that we take common y here, and the remaining terms are y square plus y minus 1 equals to 0. So here we make two cases. The first case is we take y equals to 0, and the second case is we take y square plus y minus 1 equals to 0. So here our y is 5 to the power of 2m. So if we take 5 to the power of 2m equals to 0, so 5 to the power of 2m is the our base of this triangle, because we write it as 25 to the power of m equals to 0. And we know that in a right triangle, any side length cannot be 0. So this is the base of our right triangle, so it cannot be equals to 0. Any side length of this right triangle is not 0, so that we rejected this case because this is the side length of given right triangle. So we rejected this case, and we will just proceed here this case only. And in this case you see that we have, this is a quadratic equation, so we solve this by using the quadratic formula. And first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are in this form: a equals to 1, b equals to 1, and c equals to -1. These are the coefficients of the above equation. So here we use quadratic formula, and you know about the quadratic formula. It is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we substitute the values of a, b and c, and we simplify the terms so that when we substitute the values of a, b and c, it will be written as -1 plus minus square root of b square. So our b is 1, it will becomes 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is -1, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and our a is also 1. So here we need some simplifications, and we write it as y equals to -1 plus minus. So 1 square equals to 1, and this is minus times of minus becomes plus, 4 times of 1 becomes 4, and it is divided by 2. So here we write it as -1 plus minus square root of 5, and it is divided by 2. So here we have these are the two values of y. So now here we copy down so first we write -5 divided minus 2, and now 5 to the power of 2m. So we substitute the value of y here. So 5 to the power of 2m equals to -1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and here we put the value of y. It will be written as 5 to the power of 2m equals to -1 minus square root of 5 over 2. And here you know that this 5 to the power of 2m be the base of the given right triangle. So but its right hand side is negative, and we know that this is the length of the side of triangle. So length cannot be negative. Okay, we know that length is always positive, but its right hand side gives us the negative value. So this is not possible, and so we again rejected this case also. And now we have only one case, so we proceed here this case only, and in this case we find the value of m. So here we rewrite this expression as 5 to the power of m and its whole square equals to -1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So in order to remove this square sign, we need to take the square root on both of the sides, so that here when you take the square, it will be written as in this form. We take the square root on both of the sides. So you see here these 2 and square root are gone, and we get 5 to the power of m equals to -1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 and its whole square root. So here we take the log on both of the sides in order to find the value of m. So when we take log, it will be written as log of 5 to the power of m equals to log of square root of -1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So here we use the property of log, and we move this exponent m in the front of this log, and it will be written as m times of log 5 equals to log of square root -1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So here we divide both of the sides by log 5, and finally we get the value of m is equals to log of square root -1 divided by m is equals to log of base 5, and its exponent is square root of minus 1 plus square root of 5, and it is divided by 2. So this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.